it's now evening. Done the family thing, been out for lunch. It's been great. I'll probably only spend about 20 minutes or so at the forge now. Got some new gas. Yay! So the forge is burning. There it is. And yeah, I'll work on it on the knife a little bit longer, and we'll see where it goes. This is the Puukko. Okay, here's the knife I've been busy with. The taper is starting to come out nicely. Just clean it up a little bit. Yeah, really looking good. Back to the Puukko. A couple more hits here. That's coming out beautifully. Probably not a great idea to come back to the forge after having a fantastically massive lunch, because I'm feeling really full, lazy. But I really want to get the basic forging done tonight. So I want to forge the tanks, and then I can rest. Probably only get back onto the forge in a couple of days. So I want to make sure I can get some to a good distance tonight. Shit, nearly fell out of the water. That'll do. Okay, clean up the Puukko a little bit, and then I can start working on the tank. What have I done wrong? Yeah, that's the Puukko. That's really fun. Obviously I will cut this tang a lot shorter, but here's the knife as it's looking right now. It's got some work, quite a lot of work to be done, but I'm very happy. Where is it? Ah, there it is. I'm very happy with the progress so far. There's the Puukko. Also, very long tang at the moment. But I will be cutting it down. As you you've noticed I've changed to a lighter hammer, because right now I'm really just doing the aesthetics as opposed to the heavy forging. Now I've got a long blade here, there's way too much to work with, so that's good. I'm going to be doing some cutting here because I've got some angles that I don't know I'll get with a hammer. But this one is looking very good so far. I'll take it on the belt, clean it up and just a little bit on the belt. But I think this is going to work. Alright, so I've switched off the forge. I've done both of those. Let me see if I can zoom out a little. There you go. Both of those knives. I've done the rough shaping on the anvil. I'm going to do some work on the belt grinder when I show it to you. No, that's the power hammer. There's the belt grinders. Right here, the two of them. And not tonight though, that'll be for another night. So for now guys, sorry, that's all. I was hoping to have done a little bit more on the knives today, but it's all good. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel. I'll see it looking at doing a couple of how-to type videos in the very near future. But right now, just learning how to do this myself, the videos, the clips. Learning how to edit, and yeah, hopefully it improves. I appreciate constructive criticism. Any harsh criticism will be met with sulking and very unhappy bladesmith. But thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this out with your friends.